In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an updated calendar of your midterm rentals. Keeping an accurate calendar is the key to avoiding double bookings, staying organized, and giving your guests a smooth experience. The most important idea to start with is choosing a single source of truth. That means you commit to updating one master calendar first every time. When everything flows from one place, you always know what's accurate. For midterm rentals, I strongly recommend using Google Calendar. It's free, reliable, and works across your phone and computer, so updates are instant wherever you are. Let's set it up together. Open your browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots, and then select Calendar. This takes you into Google Calendar, where we'll create a dedicated space just for your rentals. To keep bookings separate from your personal events, create a separate calendar. On the left panel, find Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it, then choose Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a clear name like Midterm Rental so it's easy to spot at a glance. Click Create Calendar. When that's done, head back to the main calendar view. Now let's add a booking so your calendar stays current and useful. Click the Create button. For the title, use something descriptive like Occupied, followed by the rental's name. This makes it easy to scan your schedule without opening each event. Next, add the date range for the stay. Set the start and end dates to cover the entire rental period. If you prefer, you can make it an all-day event so it blocks the full days clearly. If you'd like your guests to receive confirmation and see the booking on their calendar, click Add Guests and enter their email address. This also keeps communication tidy and puts everyone on the same page with the dates. Before you save, make sure the event is assigned to the correct calendar. Look for the calendar selector within the event details and switch it to the midterm rental calendar you just created. This ensures your booking appears in the right place and stays separate from your personal schedule. Finally, click Save. You'll now see the booking on your midterm rental calendar. Repeat this process for each new reservation, and make it a habit to update this calendar first anytime something changes. With one clear source of truth and a dedicated calendar, your midterm rentals will stay organized and up to date.